Transferring activities develops good and high coordination for kids. In this video, we are going to see 3 simple transferring activities involving few concepts in it. Hi, this is Preethi and let's get started. The first activity is using the spoon. Before starting the activity, I have taken cutouts of random numbers in a bowl. Here I have included the numbers up to 50. Now let's get into the activity. Now I have taken a small tray, a cup of chickpeas and an empty cup. The child has to transfer the chickpeas using the spoon. Now, before starting the game, the child has to close the eyes and pick up from the random numbers and transfer the chickpeas accordingly. Second activity is using the tongs. For this activity, I have taken a cup of colorful pom-poms. The child has to roll the colorful dice and transfer the pom-poms accordingly. I have already uploaded how to make this colorful dice in a previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, do check out the link in the description box below. While performing this activity, encourage your child to use only one hand during the transfer. The third activity is using strainer. For this, I have taken a tub, a strainer and a shape sorter toy. I have dismantled the toy and put all the shapes in a tub full of water. Now the child has to identify the shapes and transfer it accordingly. Do try these fun activities at home and let me know. Thanks for watching.